Our journey begins as we drive over the beautiful Runde Island, part of Herøy Municipality near Fosnavågen in Norway. We've arrived at the parking lot, the starting point of our hike. From here, we'll walk towards the base of Rundefjellet, ready to ascend. The path begins and we start our hike up to Rundebrand. The trail is steep in sections, but the views are already rewarding. Now we're in Lundura, one of the best places to see puffins up close. These amazing birds are also known as sea parrots because of their bright colored beaks. Did you know that puffins are expert divers, capable of diving up to 60 meters to catch fish? And get this, they have special beaks that allow them to hold multiple fish at once. One puffin was recorded holding 83 small sand eels in its bill. They flap their wings incredibly fast, up to 400 times a minute, and can fly up to 88 kilometers per hour. As we continue, we have the chance to see more of these charming puffins, with their colorful beaks that nests on the cliffs. Our hike continues down towards the Runde Lighthouse at Kvalneset. This historic lighthouse stands guard over the Atlantic. Just outside the lighthouse lies a fascinating piece of history. In 1725, the Dutch merchant ship Arendam was wrecked nearby, its treasure lost to the sea. It wasn't until 1972 that divers discovered the Arendam Treasure, over 57,000 gold and silver coins, a reminder of the dramatic events that have unfolded on this coastline. Runde Island offers a unique blend of natural beauty and captivating history, from the charming puffins to the tale of the sunken treasure. It's a place that will stay with you long after you leave. If you like this video, please remember to share, like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future hikes. Thank you for watching and happy trails!